React is a JavaScript library for building user interfaces. React is used to build single-page applications. React allows us to create reusable UI components. React, sometimes referred to as a front-end JavaScript framework, is a JavaScript library created by Facebook. How does React work? React creates a virtual DOM in memory. Instead of manipulating the browser's DOM directly, React creates a virtual DOM in memory, where it does all the necessary manipulating before making the changes in the browser DOM. React only changes what needs to be changed. React finds out what changes have been made and changes only what needs to be changed. For an example, if you are having an application and there are many components on it, now, you got a new notification. The React will only update the notification component with the real-time count, and there is no need to reload the complete web page. Before we go, make sure you have Node.js installed on your machine. Otherwise, you can download it from here depending upon the operating system you have. Make sure you install the correct one. Let's move to the documentation page of ReactJs. Here you can see the docs and the important information related to this library. The current version of the React is 1.8.2.0, can be asked in interview. On Get Started you can see there is a section which provides us the context of this library. It has installation, main concepts, advanced guides, API reference, hooks, testing and so on. Now, when we click on installation in the Getting Started section, when we click on this Quick Start link you can see it provides us information which can be useful during our development. Please go through this documentation, you will learn many exciting things related to React. Let's go back. When we scroll down you will find a section for Try React. It's just an overview, online playground which consists of sandbox, CodePen where you can run your code online. Here you can see Learn React, where you can deeply learn React. We have React for beginners, React as well as designers, as there are many developers who love to make UI design. So you can learn it from here. It has a course available on Treehouse, Code Academy, Egghead. You need to pay for it and continue your learning. In this bottom section there is a guide to install Node and create our React application. In the guide it will be having step-by-step how to bring up your local server up and some information related to React. Now quickly let's create a new React application. For this we need a Visual Studio code. If you don't have it in your computer then you can simply download it from official website. As I already have it installed, let me open and add a new folder for our project. In my documents, ReactJs, let's add a new folder by name My Store and click on Select Folder. Now you can see our empty folder in the left pane. Let's open a terminal to execute our command to create our React project. npx create React app My Store in lowercase. If we write the name with uppercase letter in it, it will throw an error. If we specify a name with lowercase and spaces in the name, it will only select the first word given by you. So make sure the name must be a single string in lowercase, and if you have a multiple words, then please use dash. Now our React application is completely installed with no errors. It provides you with some commands which you can execute in your terminal. For an example, npm start to start the development server. npm run build to bundle the app when you will run with production server. When you expand the My Store you can see there are some folders: Node modules, public, src and packages file. Let's clear our terminal and try to execute our command to run React project. npm run start. You are getting the error because you need to navigate to the React folder that is my store. cd my store. Now npm run start. Now it will compile our code and execute it. If there is any error, it will display on the terminal or console of your browser. If no error, you can now see the default page of React. It is executed on localhost 3000. If you close the tab and open localhost 3000, still you can see your React application as the server is already running in your terminal. Here it shows you when you will make changes to app.js and reload the page. You can see it over here. When you click on the Learn React, you will be redirected to documentation page. There are some more important concepts in React. We are going to learn all these concepts one by one in separate videos. Please don't miss the next video, in which I am going to explain you the files and folder structure of React, and also we will be creating our first program. For now, thank you and keep learning and reacting.